Eyebrow makeup is a major hassle for a lot of girls out there, and it shouldn't be. It shouldn't be, seriously. My name is Sylvia. You're welcome back to Kesy Blog YouTube channel, where I talk about all things beauty and a little bit of fashion. Now in this tutorial, I'm going to teach you how to draw your brow in 2020 as a beginner. So for this tutorial, you'll be needing a spooling brush. I mentioned this in my previous tutorial. I'm going to put in the link down there for you to click on it. And then you'll be needing a color 18 eye pencil. Well, you can also go for color 3 if you like your brows to look much darker. I like my brows to look really light as possible. Now for this tutorial, I'm going to be mixing these two concealers to achieve the shade for my skin tone. There are 3 sections in the brow. There's the beginning part, which is here. Now you can measure this using your any straight line, any straight pencil you have. You place it this way. Now this indicates that this is the beginning of your brow. Now I'm just going to use a line to show it to you. Right there. Now there's the end part of your brow, which is supposed to be at a point. Now just look at what I'm doing. This is the end part of your brow. Now I'm passing it through the side of my eyes. I don't know if you can see this. I'm passing it through the side of my eyes here, down to my brows. So I know that my brows is supposed to end around that region. Now you can see that. And then the most important part of the brow is your arc. Now how do you find your arc? Looking at my brows, this is the highest part of my brow. And then you can use your brush once again to place it from the side of your nose to the highest part of your brow. Then you can achieve where your arc is supposed to be. So I'm just going to mark this. So these are the 3 points of your brow: the beginning part of your brow, your arc, and then the end. Now with this, I'm going to show you how you can join these points and draw a very beautiful brow. You want to brush your brow up. You take your sharpened pencil and then you go from under your brows. I like to start with the under anyway. Now you see that if you follow exactly under your brows where your hair ends, you are going to meet the first point. And then I know that at this point, my brow should start going down. It's that simple. So I'm going to do this for the upper part of my brows as well. Now, when you're doing the upper part of your brow, you shouldn't start at the extreme beginning. You should give it some space before you start. The reason is that you want this region to look natural, and if you use your eye pencil there, it will not look natural. It will look thick around that area. I just got to my arc. I'm making sure that they meet at a point, just like that. So now I'm just trying to fill it in. Now you fill it in really lightly at the beginning part of your brow, just like this, like upward strokes. Now after doing this, you take your spooling brush again and you brush up your brow. If you want your brows to look bigger than this, you can use your pencil to add to it at the top and at the bottom. Once again, I'm brushing it up. I told you that I'm going to mix these two different concealers to achieve my shade. This is in shade Beautiful Bronze. It's written very tiny around here, Beautiful Bronze. And this is Cool Tan. It's for 1,200 naira in the market. I should hold it like this. In the market. Now I'm just adding a little bit of this again. Now the concealer you should use for your brows or for yourself should be one tone or two lighter than your skin color. Now I'm going to check on my cheeks if it's okay. Yeah, that can do the work. It's fine. What do you think? Now I'm following the bottom of my brows. Notice the way I hold my pencil. I didn't hold it too much to the tip, neither too much towards the end. So you hold it in between. It's important that you don't have too much control over your brush, because that is where you find yourself making a lot of mistakes. Now it's okay to extend your concealer way beyond the line, the end of your brow. Extend it. At the end of the day, you blend it all out. Now I'm going to do the same thing for the upper part of my brow. Now you hold your pencil this way. Notice that I did not start from here. I started about some distance away from the beginning of my brows. I made a straight line like this. After doing that, give it a pause. It's important. And then you can find where your arc is. You can go back to the bottom to make sure that the tip is pointed, because that is the beauty of your brows. And in 2020, you should be slaying the best brows ever. So now that you're done with the upper and lower part of your brow, you just blend it all in. Do the same thing here. Now you can see the way I'm blending it here. So this is for this brow. I'm going to draw this second brow off camera so that you can see how it looks finally. So here is the final look. Make sure to try this out at home. It is easy. If you practice and you practice and you practice, you're going to love your brows every day. So if this video was of any help to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, and because I'm going to be having a whole lot of beginner friendly videos for you guys, for those of you that are just starting out with makeup. I'm so interested in you guys. So subscribe to my channel and be updated on all my new posts.